Internal Revenue Service IRS news dated September 6, 2019. Treasury and IRS issue proposed regulations and provide relief for certain tax-exempt organizations. The Internal Revenue Service today issued proposed regulations clarifying the reporting requirements generally applicable to tax-exempt organizations, and there is a hyperlink to those proposed regulations. There will be a link to this news in the description. The proposed regulations reflect statutory amendments and certain grants of reporting relief announced by Treasury Department and IRS in prior guidance to help many tax-exempt organizations generally find the reporting requirements in one place. Among other provisions, the proposed regulations incorporate the existing exception from having to file an annual return for certain organizations that normally have gross receipts of $50,000 or less, which is found in the Revenue Procedure 2011-15. The regulations also incorporate relief from requirements to report contributor names and addresses on annual returns filed by certain tax-exempt organizations previously reported in Revenue Procedure 2018-38. A recent court decision held that the Treasury Department and the IRS should have followed notice and comment procedures in 2018 when announcing this relief with respect to providing contributor names and addresses, and these regulations provide the opportunity for notice and comment on that relief as well as on other proposed updates to existing regulations. Under the proposed regulations, filing requirements for Section 501c3 organizations and Section 527 political organizations remain unchanged, and all organizations are required to keep the contributor information and make it available to the IRS upon request. Treasury and IRS welcome public comments and on all aspects of these proposed regulations. For details on submitting comments, see the proposed regulations, hyperlink here. The regulations propose to all tax-exempt organizations to elect to apply the regulations to returns filed by September 6, 2019. Additionally, the IRS issued Notice 2019-47. There's a PDF for it here in a link, providing penalty relief for certain exempt organizations that, consistent with the 2018 guidance from the IRS, do not report the names and addresses of contributors on annual returns for tax years ending on or after December 31st, 2018, but on or before July 30th, 2019.